In this clip, we'll look at dictation. Now, this is the latest attempt to bring an effective and easy-to-use voice-to-text tool to Windows. I have to say it's the best implementation built into Windows so far. Of course, a lot will depend on your microphone and how easy it is for Windows to hear and understand you. Dictation in Windows 10 is initially only supported in US English markets, but that will naturally grow with time. Pretty much anywhere that you can put in text, you can use dictation. Some tools will have the dictation tool built right into them, like the latest Office apps, which include a prominent dictation tool right on the Home tab. In other apps, you might not see a microphone for dictation, but if you can type in text, you can dictate. With a text field active on a touchscreen device, like a tablet, you can select the microphone to start dictating. If you're using a keyboard and mouse, you can bring up the Windows dictation interface by pressing Windows and the H key. Let's open Notepad as an example. Now I'll press Windows H, and at the top of the screen I can see a dictation window. As you can see, everything I say is now being dictated right into Notepad. There might be some errors or grammar that needs tweaked, but this is pretty good. If I see really bad mistakes, or I want to reword the last phrase, I can use several commands to edit while still in dictation mode. For example, we might want to remove an entire phrase. Delete that. I can now dictate a new phrase. Select the last two words. Statement. Select reword. Change. Stop dictating. You can indicate punctuation marks, numbers, and even spell words as you dictate. Obviously, the more you use the commands, the more natural this type of input will become. I find, even for just getting ideas down to look over later, dictation is a great way to keep thoughts flowing. There's actually quite a few commands that dictation is designed to recognize. Now I'll admit, I get mixed results sometimes, and this can be due to a variety of factors. First off, dictation is really a cloud-based feature, so internet connection is required, and the connection can certainly affect the voice-to-text process. Microphone quality and placement in relation to the speaker, enunciation, and accent, of course, will all affect the results. To use cloud-based dictation, you'll initially be prompted to go to Settings and enable Speech Services. Let's jump into the Settings app, and we'll go to Privacy, and you can see Speech, Inking, and Typing. You can use this button to enable or disable speech services and typing suggestions. And then down below this, we have additional links that will help us to address any privacy concerns we might have. Now for now, this is still completely separate from the speech recognition tool that's part of the accessibility tools built into Windows 10. The commands that are recognized are a bit different. The services used to generate text from speech are also a little different, so turning this on and off here will not affect the speech recognition tool. In this clip, we've looked at dictation. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson.